The storage permission has been restricted. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can solve the storage permission has been restricted, so make sure to watch the video till the end. This type of issue is normally seen within the games or applications of a certain app or game on Android phone especially. So to enable this type of access, what you have to do is, first of all, let's say you're having the issue with any sort of game. Now you can go to Gaming Hub and then you can select for the game that you're having issue with, or maybe you're having an issue with Telegram or other social media apps. Whatever the issue is, open the settings application and then just go to the option on your Android phone called apps. Once you go to apps, now here search for the app that you're having the issue with in this case, and there could be many applications on the list. You want to make sure to select a game or an app that you're having issue with, and here you'll see permissions. When you go to permissions, here you can see no permissions allowed. You can tap the three dots option and go to all permissions instead, and here you should be able to see a list of permission it requires. Now sometimes whenever you try to play that certain game, then you will get that kind of option to enable the access. Otherwise, let's say you're having issue with some of the other application, here you can just go to permissions, go to photos and videos and allow, and then go to music and phone and then allow it, because storage permission does not come in the name of storage permission. Your photos and videos, they are accessible from your storage, so that is one of the storage permissions. So these are the little things that you want to keep in mind when you're allowing the permissions. So this way you can enable the storage permission has been restricted. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.